Welcome back to part 2.
I just got 514 on that.
He did like 514 on that. That's crazy. I tried one, I couldn't do it. Alright, so today we're going to do
oil change mint.
Oil change mint. Yes, oil change. Alright, let's get started. Put the pan back underneath.
It's stuck.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Come up. Got some.
Here's the that's called a crush washer.
Crush washer?
And basically it gets crushed onto the surface of the oil pan. Like that, yeah. So it gets crushed and that's how it creates the seal.
Yep.
Yeah, so you always want to change them out. Like I carry a ton of them because I do a ton of oil changes. And I just keep them on one of these.
Not every day.
And so you just want to grab a new one, and then these are so cheap, you just toss them out.
Yeet.
That's good. You don't want it too tight. Okay, so there's numbers, right? So it's 1 through 10. Okay. So 1 through 9, but it's really 10.
1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter, 5 liter, 6 liter, 7.
No, this is 1 liter.
This whole thing is 1 liter.
Yeah, so it's like 10 milliliters, I guess.
So that means 5/10 of this whole thing.
So this thing is, I think it's 30 ounces. I'm not sure. Anyway, you just go to 5. There's numbers on here. See that? And it says, the book says 3.5 quarts. Or 3.5 liters. So just go to 5 and then we'll check the window, okay?
Okay.
So make sure when you're pouring, you pour it slow. And then always check to see where your level is.
How do we know?
The number. You can see it from the window. See it?
Oh, here.
Yeah. Button, yeah.
Let's go.
What'd you say?
Time lapse done.
Time lapse done. Yeah, let's go. Watch part 3.
That's part 3. Part 3, we